Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to give you an update as to how I'm dealing with my winter depression, so to speak. And let me tell you, let me be 100% honest with you. It has been kicking my ass. If you notice, I've not been uploading regularly anymore and stuff like that, because right now in France we have confinement, and dealing with winter depression during confinement is a real big struggle. And I wouldn't even say it's just winter depression and confinement that really get me down as well, but also anxiety, because I've been feeling really anxious because every single time that the future or something is really uncertain or unclear for me, I really get anxious because I'm a little bit of a control freak. I like to know when, where, how. I like to know specifications, and at this moment in time, nobody knows no specific time, when, where, how. Like everything is just uncertain. And all of this is bringing on a lot of anxiety and stress. Couple days ago, I had to went to the emergency room because I was really dealing with bad anxiety and stress. Yeah, that's why I've not been uploading or anything. It's just been really difficult during this time. Like, I wish I could just take a blanket and cover my head and go in my bed and just wake up, and like there's no confinement, there's no winter, and everything is up and running full speed ahead. I guess that's everybody wish at this point, but as you can clearly see, it's not happening anytime soon. So we have to just deal with and cope with it the best we can. And everything that I've been trying so far have not been working. At the emergency room, they suggest maybe I should speak to a psychologist or something like that to kind of clear my head, clear my mind, or stuff like that. But I just, I'm Jamaican, and as Caribbean people, we don't like the word psychologists and psychiatrists, and as what we always say, those are for mad people. But to be honest and real with you guys, I don't really feel within my own self that it's for mad people, because in the past, when I was going through homelessness, I had to went and I had to see a psychologist, and it helped me a lot during that time of my life. I'm not totally closed off to the idea to see a psychologist at this point, because it's really getting stressful. I've been having bad insomnia, and sometimes I don't sleep at all because of anxiety. You lie in your bed and your mind just constantly racing. You have racing thoughts, and it's like your mind will not shut up that you can really and truly go to your bed and sleep. You have all this puzzle trying to fit together in your head, and it's just not happening. So I'm not really opposed to seeing a psychologist at this point, but yeah, it's just to muscle up the courage to really put one foot before the other and set the appointment up. I've been trying my best to manage on my own, but yeah, nothing is working. And there are some days that I do feel fine. I do wake up and I do feel okay, and I do feel alright and can manage. And there's other day that I wake up and I'm like, oh my gosh, like 24 hours is a long time when you wake up in that mood, in that vibe. And yeah, it's just a real struggle getting through that 24 hours and hoping that the next morning you wake up, it would feel more better, you know, and you would more feel like yourself. And it depends on the weather that I wake up, because yesterday and today I wake up and I feel fine because the sun was out, and yes, it's cold, but at least the sun was out, so I could open up my blinds, open up my windows and stuff like that. But I don't know for tomorrow, because yeah, it just changed with the weather. Whatever weather you wake up with, it affects your mood totally 100%, you know. And what even worse is that I have my bedroom window, like once I wake up and I catch a glimpse of my bedroom window and I look outside and I see the weather, whatever weather I see, if I see sunshine, I have more energy to get up and carry on with the day. If I see cloud, darkness, like I just want to just put back the cover over my head, you know. I've been looking into trying out medical marijuana for my insomnia, but here in France it's not really legal. Like CBD is somewhat acceptable, but it's not really legal. So I don't know how am I going to go about getting that, but I would really and truly like to try that, to see if it would at least help with the anxiety that I'm feeling at this time and the insomnia that I'm dealing with at this time, because I want to sleep. Yeah, like really and truly want to sleep, and it not come. So yeah, I'm looking into that, and I'm trying my best to see how well I can cope during this confinement time as well. The government decided that they will open up certain small stores, but restaurants and bars and stuff like that will remain closed until in January. So and yeah, public gathering and all these things have been restricted as well. So yeah, I just want to get on here quickly and explain why I've not been uploading, and what has been going on, and give you an update as to how I'm dealing with my winter depression and my overall headspace at the moment, you know. Yeah. I hope this was helpful to somebody, if you're really out there going through this, and just know that you're not alone. And yeah, there's good days and bad days. You just have to push through the bad days and look forward to the good days, because there is no other way at this time, you know. We each have to just do our best and put our best foot forward. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it will be a more exciting one. Peace, love, bisous, au revoir.